Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making this vine pattern keychain, and I've already attached my 3 4-foot cords onto my keychain. These are 1-inch wide swivel clasps, and you can get them on Amazon, craft stores, wherever you'd like. Okay, to start, so I've attached 3 Larks Head knots, and now I'm going to use these far left 2 as my filler cords, and I'm going to work my way down this way. So I'm going to do 4 that way. So for the diagonal clove hitch knot, if you've never done it, you just kind of take that one from behind, go over, and you pull it through the loop. So a double hitch knot means twice for each. So for each cord, we're going to do that 2 times. Okay, so now that we've done the entire row to the right, we're just going to leave those filler cords right there, and we're going to line these ones up how they're meant to be. Now we're going to use the 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one right here, we're going to use this one as our filler cord, and we're going to work our way. We're going to do 3 of the same knots that we just did, pulling it tight, going up to the left. So we put our guide in the direction it wants to go, and same thing. Okay, so now that we've brought that one all the way up to the left, we're going to use that same filler cord. Let's organize these first. There we go. So we're going to use that same filler cord and bring it down and do 3 double hitch knots here. Okay, now that we're done that row, we're still leaving those filler cords out, and this time we're going to leave the one we just used. We're going to leave it to the right. And now we're going to use this next one, so the 3rd cord in, and we're going to use this as our filler cord, and we're going to go up for 2 knots. Okay, so now that we've come to the end, we're going to use that same filler cord, and we're going to go down just 2 knots here, okay? So 2 double hitch knots. Okay, now that we're done that, we're going to just make sure these are all lined up properly. We're going to go back to these filler cords, and we're going to take them down to the left, going over each one of these using double hitch knots. So now you can see we have that first side, And now all we're going to do is repeat what we've done here in the opposite direction. So we are going to start by, always make sure these cords are nice and organized. And now we're going to use not the filler cords, but this one right here as our filler, and we're going to go up those 3 ropes. Okay, now we're done those 3, so still using that, we're going to come down doing those 3 again. Okay, now we're leaving out those fillers and this filler, and we're going to take this second one, or this one, third from last, and we're going to go up to this way again, and then we're going to keep using the same one and bring it back down around, just like we did here, just from the opposite side. So now that we're done that, we're just going to do the same thing, so using those 2 filler cords, and we're going to work our way down in order. Okay, so you can see we have that nice vine pattern. And now what we're going to do is, for the ends, these 2 filler cords that we were using are quite a bit longer, so I'm going to cut the cords to the length that I want the fringe, so about there. Then I'm just going to use one of these longer pieces that's left over, and I'm going to make the gathering knot. So I'm going to pull these so that, see, it's going to look like that. So you want to pull these ones to the back, take the cord, make that little loop, hold it in place, and wrap it around. Okay, find that little loop again.